Hey there, welcome to the complete UTME Mathematics course, the one course you need to score very well in your UTME Mathematics exam. Now, I know that the syllabus has a lot of topics and it can feel overwhelming trying to cover the topics. The question that will be on your mind is, where do I start from? How do I cover these topics? But the good news is that we have the solution for you. So we have taken time to break down this entire syllabus into bite-sized topics that you can cover easily and comprehend. Now, the entire syllabus has been broken down into 100 topics instead of 35 or so that you have. We've broken it into 100 so that you can cover it easily. Now, for each of these topics, we've made videos. Now, each of the video has a specific topic that we treat, we explain, and then you answer questions on. Take note that this course is not for beginners in mathematics. You should have covered at least your year 10 or SS1 in school. Now, from year 11 or 12, you can start this course. Now, the course covers the entire UTME syllabus, which if you follow from beginning to end, you score at least a 90 over 100 in the exam. So take time to follow this course. Now, when you are on it, ensure you are with your pen and your paper. You are answering the questions that follow each lecture. Each lecture has 4 to 5 questions that you have to answer. Although I'll solve them with you. So take your time, pause the video, solve question 1, get your answer, then continue and see what I get. So do the same for 2, 3, and 4. And do it without distraction. Just be focused, follow the course. And if you start from 1, don't skip to 10. Go from 1 to 2, 3, 4, till you get to 100. And I'm guaranteeing you that by the time you cover all, you'll be confident to face the exam. Kindly subscribe to this channel to keep getting interesting solutions to mathematical problems.